Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Makeover Mom. Today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree desk transformation, and this is going to be a series I'm doing, and this one will be called Bright and Boho. This is how my desk looked before. It seriously needed some cleaning. You know how it is when you guys get busy, and especially if you're taking care of business. So just got to do a little spring cleaning so that we can get decorating. Now I'm just gonna wipe down my desk, getting rid of all the dirt that kind of fell on top of it. Here are some super cute things that I picked up from Dollar Tree, you guys. You guys can find some really stylish decor for your desk and office space at Dollar Tree. Here are some extra accessories just to jazz up the desk. And here's the final product. How do you guys like it? I just wanted to keep it bright and fun. I used the magazine folders to base the color scheme off of. Let me know what was your favorite product from the Dollar Tree from this video, and if you guys want me to continue to do these series. Always make sure to subscribe and like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.